You can take a lot of candy and snacks into the movie theater. Just watch. Look at all this. Welcome back, pranksters. If you recall in my last video, I showed you guys some clever ways to sneak your favorite snacks and candy into the movie theater using some Avengers Endgame props. And those ideas were very cool and very effective, but the downside of that is that they only apply if you are gonna go watch some Marvel movies. So guess what? In this video, I will be showing you guys 5 more clever methods that will work no matter what movie you plan on watching. These methods will help you sneak a bunch of snacks into the movie theater without getting caught. And the best part is that these are so easy and economical to pull off. Now, before we get started with these fun life hacks, I want to announce the winner of my last giveaway. For all of you who participated and left likes and comments on my last video, I really appreciate it very much, guys. And here is the winner, Mystic One. Congratulations, you will get a box full of yummy treats that you can sneak into the movies with ease. Now, just because that giveaway is no longer in effect doesn't mean that you still can't win, because guess what? I have another giveaway for this video, and yes, since we are dealing with candy and snacks in this video, I'm giving away another box of snacks and candy that you can easily sneak into the movies. To participate, all you have to do is leave a like and a cool comment that stands out on this video, and I will randomly choose a winner just like I did in my past giveaways. And here's the best part, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will give away an Xbox One, and if we go over 20,000 likes, I will be giving away an Xbox One and a PlayStation 4. So go ahead, enter this giveaway now by giving this video a like and leaving a cool comment below. Let's get started. Check it out. Now you might be wondering, what is this box that I'm holding? Well, if I flip it over, you'll see that it's a Kleenex box. So it's got tissue in there, guys, and it's mainly for your nose or for those crybabies out there. But guess what, guys? Being a crybaby in this instance is actually a good thing, because you're gonna take this into the movie theater. So I went to Walmart and I got me a box of Kleenex, and this one was only $1.50, guys. That's perfect. I don't need anything else. I don't need nothing fancy. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm actually gonna open this box, not on the designated part, but actually through one of the flaps. So on the side, guys, we're gonna open it up, and it should come undone easily. Try not to damage the box, of course. So once you undo the flaps, you'll see that inside it's packed with a lot of tissue paper. And we don't need all that tissue paper, guys. This is just filler. It's easy if you guys just pull out the whole thing, and then you just grab a little stack, the thinnest that you can. That way you have more room inside for your snacks. So this will do for me, guys. And notice that it's not a lot. It's just a little thin layer of tissue paper compared to this one right here, guys. Look at that. Look at the big difference. Anyway, this we're not gonna throw away, of course. It costs $1.50, so we're gonna make good use of this. I'm gonna set it aside. As far as this layer, I'm gonna set aside as well, but keep it closer to me because I'll be putting this back in there. But look at all that space that we have inside this box, guys. It's a lot of space to stuff it with our favorite snacks. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know about you guys in the movie theaters you guys go to, but sodas in there are very, very pricey. They're about $5, and this was only 50 cents at the vending machine at Walmart. So I'm gonna take a can of soda and I'm gonna put it in there. And I still have enough room for other snacks. For example, a box of M&Ms, a bag of hot Cheetos, and I still have enough room in there. I'm gonna throw in this bag of Lifesavers. They're gummies, guys. Now, once you stuff it with your favorite snacks, guys, you're gonna take that thin layer of tissue paper and you're gonna place it over all your snacks. That way it'll hide it, and make sure that it's on the side that you're gonna open. For example, here it's got a designated spot where to open it. So that's where I'm gonna put it through. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna spread the tissue paper apart as much as I can. I'm gonna close up these flaps, guys. And of course, I'll need some tape for this. Simple stuff, right? All right, now it's closed, and I'm gonna open it up now. See, guys? There's my tissue paper, and I'm gonna pull out just a little bit so it looks more realistic. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna walk into the movies with this. If somebody asks why I'm taking this into the movie theater, I'm just gonna tell them that I'm a crybaby and that the movie that I'm gonna watch is really sad, it's really depressing, and I will need this box of tissue paper. Of course, try not to shake it too much, especially if you got a bunch of stuff rattling in there. But this will do, guys. They shouldn't really question you, especially since you're admitting to being a crybaby. Or you could just say you're bringing them in just in case your girlfriend or your boyfriend is gonna cry during the movie. Try to seem cooler, you know? But still, this will definitely work. And once you're in the movie theater, guys, just undo the flaps. And there's your snacks right there. Just dump them out. Whoop, better not dump out that soda, it'll pop. But anyway, guys, look, we got some Lifesavers, M&Ms, a bag of hot Cheetos, and a Coke. That's perfect. And all of this was about $3 altogether, guys. So it's definitely worth it if you guys want to take $3 of snacks and candy into the movie theater rather than spend about $15 on popcorn, a drink, and maybe a hot dog. I take this option better. Now this next hack varies depending on the movie theater that you go to. For example, I go to this particular one. And this theater actually, guys, when I buy my popcorn, I usually get the largest bag because most theaters do have a deal that if you do get a large or extra large bag of popcorn, you actually get a refill once you're done with that popcorn. And the best part is that you guys can take this empty bag home, and when you guys come back for another movie, just bring back this bag and you get a free refill of popcorn. How cool is that, right? I think it's a good deal, even though I paid $8 for this. Anyway, guys, since this bag is gonna come back to the movie theater, once I'm done with it, once I emptied out all the popcorn, it's empty, guys. Now I can't stuff it with a bunch of stuff, but I can get super clever and put as much snacks as I possibly can. For example, a box of M&Ms. Make sure you lay them flat, guys. Some Sour Patch Kids, and a couple pouches of Kool-Aid Jammers. All right, guys. So I didn't fill it completely, but now I can actually just close it up and kind of roll it and try to squeeze it as much as you can, guys. Make it seem like it's empty. Now, when you walk into the movie theater, just tell them you're gonna get a refill of popcorn, but of course, try not to shake it too much. Try not to give it away. And if you guys put too much, it'll obviously be noticeable. So if you think it's too fattening and it looks really suspicious, take out a couple things, guys. And the thinner it is, the chances of you getting away with it will increase. So just hold it like this, walk into the movies casually, and if they ask, well, hey, I'm just getting a refill, no big deal. Once you're in the movie theater, guys, just take this out, and if you want, go get a refill of popcorn. Or if you already used your refill, well, at least you were able to use the bag once more to sneak more candy and snacks into the movies. Now, we all know how expensive candy can get inside a movie theater, guys. Prices triple or quadruple at times. Well, anyway, here's a cheap way, and I mean a really cheap way, to sneak candy into the movies. And for this particular method, guys, you are gonna have to fake an injury. So for example, right here, guys, I have a bandage, which I'm gonna wrap around my arm. But underneath this bandage, of course, I'm gonna have some candy that will not be noticeable at all. So always try to get the flattest candy that you possibly can, such as this right here. It's very thin, because you definitely won't be able to sneak a can of soda with this method. So again, go for flat candy, such as the ones you see right here. Right, so let's open up this bandage. I got this for $1.50. And notice that I got the Equate brand, so you know it's gonna be cheap. So basically, I'm gonna do these little clips, and I'm gonna pretend that I have an injury on my left arm. So I'm gonna start off at my wrist, for example, right here. Then I'm gonna wrap it just once around it. All right, once the first layer is on, guys, now we can begin to put our candy inside. For example, I'm gonna take this Kit Kat bar, this other one, and this bag of M&Ms. And it's gonna wrap on the bottom of my forearm, like so. That way it's not too noticeable. And then it's the Lifesaver's turn. And lastly, the Airheads. So I'm gonna have a really inflated forearm, just like Popeye, the Sailor Man. And that's it, guys. I know it looks fat, but that's fine. You can just tell them you broke a bone, or maybe get smaller candy, but it's up to you. Then just put the clips on. Oh, my glove. And that's it. If they ask, well, you can come up with a really good excuse, such as a broken bone, maybe that it's really swollen, maybe you have some kind of device underneath that'll keep you alive for the next 24 hours. Get creative, guys, and just walk into the movies like so. Or if you want to spend more money, guys, get one of those legit holders that actually looks like you broke your arm, and just walk around like that with your snacks tucked inside. So you're gonna be walking around, guys. They ask, hey, I broke my arm. Okay, no big deal. Have fun, sir, is what they'll say. So Once I'm in the theater, guys, all I gotta do is undo the bandages. And I can take out my snacks. See, guys? And I'll be able to share with my friends, actually. But they better keep their hands off my Airheads. These are mine. But these are up for grabs. Previously, guys, I shown you how to easily sneak candy and snacks into the movie theater using a regular cap or hat like this one right here. But if you don't own one of these, or maybe you want to sneak more candy and snacks, then do not try this method. Rather, guys, get yourself a big hat. The bigger the better, especially the top. If it's a tall hat, even better. But for this example, I'll be using this Mexican sombrero, which I've had for a number of years. And I'm gonna flip this over, guys. And notice inside, there's a lot of room to put stuff in there, such as candy and snacks, of course. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some M&Ms, Kit Kats in there, one of these grandma cookies, why not? A Kool-Aid Jammers pouch, some Reese's, and why not this bag of Takis. Now just leave enough room so that your head kind of goes in, so the hat does not fall off. So this will do, guys. Now in the event that they check your hat for whatever reason, but they really shouldn't, if they do ask why you're wearing such a big hat, you just tell them you feel comfortable with this hat, or maybe the sun outside isn't good for you, so you need all the protection you can get. Just get creative, guys. You'd easily get them off your back. But anyway, guys, just in case they need to check, try to cover this up. And what I did, guys, is I had some cardboard from a package that I got from Amazon. I cut out a piece, and I'm gonna cut out an oval, which is the size of this hat, so that I can actually cover everything up. So it'll be like a false bottom in a way. So that's what I'm gonna do now. See, guys? There's my oval. I left the flaps there so that I can fold them, and it's easier for me to hide all my candy and snacks. So I'm just gonna push everything in. So yeah, guys, try to cram everything inside, and that's it. Look, it does not look suspicious at all, and you can wear this, but make sure that when you take off the hat, just in case the people at the theater need to check, well, try to make this really snug so the snacks don't fall out. And once you're in the movie theater, guys, just remove the piece of cardboard and dump everything out. Look at all the snacks. It's perfect. I know I definitely won't be hungry if I sneak these into the movie theater, and at a cheap price, guys. So you'll definitely save money with this method. What I have right here, guys, is my M&M blanket. I got it in Vegas a couple years ago. Now, when you go to the movie theater, guys, sometimes it's chilly in there. You're kind of cold. And I've seen a lot of people actually take blankets into the movie theater. So if you are to take one of these blankets inside the theater, they're not really gonna say much, because everybody does it these days, because it does get really chilly in there, guys. So get yourself a small fleece blanket like this one. And yeah, guys, it's got a lot of fur because my dog lays in this. Anyway, guys, you're gonna open it up, maybe one fold. And here's Miss Brown, I guess that's her name. Anyway, we're gonna put a bunch of snacks on top of this blanket. So I'm gonna throw a bunch of snacks in there, pretty much all the snacks I used in this video. Sour Patch Kids, Skittles, Grandma's Cookie, Takis, M&Ms, Hot Cheetos, Airheads, Lifesavers, Lay's chips, a Kit Kat, and a couple pouches of Kool-Aid Jammers. Now that is a lot of snacks, guys. That's a lot of sugar, that's a lot of fattening stuff, but you're in the movie theater. You wanna eat good while enjoying a movie, so you prepared pretty well with these snacks. Now, guys, all you have to do is once you place everything in the center of the blanket, just fold it up. So I'm gonna fold it this way, and then this way, and then I'm gonna try to roll it up. There it is, guys. Here's my blanket. It's really heavy. Try to not make a lot of noise when you carry your blanket, guys. You don't want to seem too suspicious. But if you look at this blanket right here, guys, it does not look suspicious. It's actually quite heavy, but they don't know that. They don't have to know that. So if you are able to take this past the people that take the tickets, and once you're in the movie theater, you put this on a chair, and that's when you can begin to unwrap your blanket. And look, guys, all your snacks will be right there. That's a bunch of stuff, so you'll definitely get through the movie on a full stomach, full of sugar and fat pretty much. But hey, it's totally worth it. There you guys have it. 5 very simple ways to sneak your favorite snacks and candy into the movie theater to avoid paying those really high prices for such snacks. Hopefully these methods come in handy to you as they have for me in the past. Don't forget, pranksters, I do have that giveaway for this video. All you have to do is leave a like and a cool comment on this video and you're automatically entered. Winner will get a box full of snacks, so if you haven't yet, enter now. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.